In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to chat with Gemini using Google Chrome. Whether you're new to chatting with AI or just looking to streamline your communication with Gemini, this guide will help you get started in no time. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open up your Google Chrome browser. This is where most of us begin our internet adventures, right? Once you've got Chrome up and running, navigate to the search bar at the top. This is your gateway to a world of instant information. In the search bar, type Gemini AI and hit enter. This simple search query is the first step in connecting with Gemini. Gemini is a prominent AI solution known for its conversational abilities, so entering the correct search term ensures you're headed in the right direction. After performing your search, you'll notice a list of results pop up almost immediately. Now here's the key to moving forward smoothly. Click on the first link that appears in the search results. Typically, search engines like Google are fantastic at presenting the most relevant and reliable pages at the top of the list. Clicking this first link will direct you to the official Gemini AI platform, saving you the hassle of wading through potentially unrelated or unofficial sites. Once you've clicked and arrived at Gemini's website, you should be ready to begin your chat. The platform is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly, ensuring that even those unfamiliar with AI communication will feel comfortable. On this page, you should see a chat interface where you can start typing your messages. This is where the magic happens, chatting with Gemini. The AI is on standby to interact, answer questions, or assist with any queries you may have. Just type your message and witness firsthand the capabilities of this advanced AI system. To make your experience even smoother, here are a couple of tips. Ensure your internet connection is stable for uninterrupted communication. If you experience any issues or delays, refreshing the page or closing and reopening your browser can often resolve minor hiccups. For the best interaction, be clear and concise with your inputs, as this helps Gemini understand your requests better. And there you have it. You've learned how to chat with Gemini using Google Chrome in just a few straightforward steps. This process is designed to be quick and easy, getting you connected with this powerful AI tool without any unnecessary steps. Enjoy your conversations with Gemini and don't hesitate to explore its various functionalities for your personal or professional needs. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful guides.